front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection. Autocorrection, when enabled, automatically fixes common spelling mistakes, making your typing cleaner and more precise. That's why today I will show you not only where to find it, but also how to turn it on or off. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on System. Then hit Keyboard, on-screen keyboard, and finally Keyboard. Now it's time to select Text Correction and scroll to use this switcher next to Autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can turn it off or on. Quick tip, if you decided to use autocorrection, you can tap on this switcher next to Undo Autocorrect on Backspace and check it out to make autocorrection even better. If you don't want to go through all of those options though, every time you decide to switch it on or off, I can also show you what I do on my device. Swipe up and tap on this switcher next to Show Suggestion strip if it's not already on. Then tap on Home button, access your keyboard, and click on this icon over here at the top of it to access text correction and then autocorrection in a few seconds. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!